In 2024, instead of changing yourself, how about getting to know yourself? You're not broken. You don't need to be fixed. You're actually whole and complete the way you are. You just need to know who you are. You need to know why you do the things you do, why you are the person that you are. Where do all of your beliefs come from? Why do you think the way you think? Why do you feel the way you feel in certain situations? Why do people trigger you in specific ways? Every single thing you experience and feel is feedback. It's feedback on how you're feeling within yourself. So if there's anything outside of you that you don't like, get to know yourself on the inside. You don't have to rush to change yourself or be a different person. Just get to know yourself first. Become self-aware of your own thoughts and feelings. I have a guide that helps you to do just that. It's called Magic Mindset Mastery. And just like the name, it takes you on a journey of getting to know your mind, your innermost thoughts. It's a simple guide that allows you to understand your subconscious beliefs and also use EFT tapping to release any beliefs that you no longer want to identify with. So check that out at the top of my profile page or in the description box below if you're on YouTube. And just start 2024 with a new, fresh mindset. A mindset that allows you to be more gentle, more kind, more accepting of the person that you already are. Okay, thank you for watching. Ask me any questions in the comments below and follow for more. I'll see you next time.